Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate cloud monitoring with Datadog step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Datadog account. Navigate to the Integrations section found in the main menu. In the Integrations page, search for the cloud service you want to monitor, such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Click on the specific integration you wish to set up. Follow the integration guide provided by Datadog for the selected cloud service. This guide typically includes steps for API key generation and permission setup. Once the required credentials are obtained, return to Datadog and input the necessary API keys. Verify that the connection to your cloud service is successful. Next, go to the Dashboard section in Datadog. Create a new dashboard by clicking on the New Dashboard button. Add widgets to your dashboard that reflect the metrics important for your cloud monitoring. Customize each widget to display data from the specific cloud services you have integrated. After setting up your dashboard, navigate to the Alerts section. Create an alert by clicking on the New Monitor button. Select the type of monitor according to the metric or event you want to be alerted on. Define the alert conditions, such as thresholds or specific events that trigger notifications. Set the notification options to ensure alerts reach the right team members or systems. Once your monitors and alerts are configured, proceed to review the settings. Test the alert system by simulating conditions that would trigger an alert. Make adjustments as needed based on the test results. Finally, document your setup process for future reference or onboarding new team members. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.